Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, enjoying it, relaxing. Again, I was actually away on vacation, and that's probably why you haven't gotten any videos for a little while. But I'm making one to kind of recap basically what happened this week here on GameStop. And yeah, I mean, it started off good with like I think a gap up, and we ran up to like 27.94, 28. And then October 3rd came, and the warrants came, and it was a big sell-off day. I shouldn't say big. I would say like it was a sell-off day because we've seen bigger sell-off days, and yeah, looks like this one we had a successful dip buy here. Now I'm not flipping these areas as successful trades just yet, just because it's a larger area and we could technically dip back down and erase divergence, right? So if the sell-off continues, and we erase the divergence down here, and then we continue to cut down lower, then you could actually still complete the C leg, right? So I'm going to give you guys the bullish and the bearish case right now. So the bullish case is that we've already found our low, which was right here, and this impulse here is going to be a buyable dip. And right now, what's happening is a bit of a flat scenario, right? We got kind of 3 swings up with no divergence, or at least on some time frames we got no divergence. Yeah, and I guess it's 15 minutes, a little bit too small for that. But regardless, you got no divergence. You got 3 swings up, and now it looks like you're getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're getting an impulse in the C, and it should resolve itself pretty soon unless it accelerates, which it can. Now looking at the 1 hour, it's very oversold. You've already erased divergence. And you've taken out the low, right? Technically, this could end at any moment. You have a buy area here for a flat at 24 to 23. Now this could fail, obviously, right? If it cuts down, gap down next week, and you go lower, and you take out this low, then yes, this is a capitulation event, and this is probably the one you were waiting for. For another great buying opportunity. And I know people don't want to hear that. They said they've had enough time buying, and trust me, like there's a lot of people who have bought that probably gonna miss out on this move higher, this leg higher that's gonna come. So yeah, so that's the bullish case here. It's this dip buy works, or it goes slightly little lower, but the pivot down here holds, and we have higher to go. Right now, the bearish case is that it's actually not that bearish because it's still bullish. It's still a bigger picture bullish. The bearish for me would be something like you could call it like a WXY or something. This is ABC. It's pretty same thing. It's moving in threes, and you get this. You get an A, a V, and then a C. And this C, right, this leg down is gonna take out this low, maybe this pivot too, and then you're gonna get some sort of erasal of divergence, like the daily. You need a pretty nasty sell off, and the daily would come down, erase divergence on the RSI on the daily, and then come out with a sharp bounce back. Right, you'll do something like that. That's what I'm guessing the bearish scenario would be. And then again, I'm giving you multiple scenarios because again, I don't know what's gonna happen. But if this happens, I know what to do, and if this happens, I know what to do, right? So that's just how I play the market, and again, works very well for me at least. And over a long period of time, the returns show themselves. So right now, got some sort of impulse here. Could be a like a 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and you finally completed the impulse, or it's a corrective move, and it's going to come down lower. But just seeing the divergence here tells me that the more bullish case is in play. Like the more bullish case has a higher probability of success, like 70-80%. I really don't think that the big crash thing would be in the cards at the moment. Although anything things can change, right? You never know. News event comes and shit happens, and we'll see. Right now, GameStop on weekly time frame on Market Cipher looking good. 12 and a -4 on the dual bet strength index. You got green money flow coming out. Finally, we got some green money flow. The green dot here proved itself very useful, confirming the low, and we had a nice rally. Now, is the rally over? Will it continue? Remains to be seen. The new monthly candle, very nice. We have a 13 and a -3 on the dual bet strength index. A green dot looks bullish to me. Daily time frame, the uptrend has started. Now we're getting a nice nasty little red candle on the warrants issuance day, and I mean, again, I don't know what I don't know what else to say. That's just a down day, right? And 4-hour time frame, still got green money flow, still bullish. And just another dip. Could be a dip to buy, right? Could it be a dip to buy if you get into this area? 1-hour time frame. It looks like it wants to extend a little bit lower. Same for the 30-minute, right? It looks like it wants to go a little bit lower. And looking at wave edge here, and we'll take a look at the monthly chart. So no new candles on the monthly. The weekly, no new signals here. The 4-day, the 3-day. So there you go. The 4, 3, and 2. You all have red crosses at the highs. I mean, is this marking a significant pivot or a little like a short-term pivot? Right, the daily, you got some selling coming in at the highs here. So right around 26, 28, you saw some selling taking place, right? So again, this is why we're not out of the woods. It's not out of the woods. It's not a guarantee we're going up, and in fact, there are no guarantees. There are just probabilities, right? There's no guarantees. Whoever is posting stuff like there's like guaranteed like we're gonna break out or guarantee we're gonna crash. No, the market can do anything, and that's just the beauty of the game, or the unfortunate things of the game, however you want to see it. But yeah, I expect a little bit lower. If it holds and we see a reaction, that's great. That means that this dip buy area is going to hold up, and this one would confirm that it's probably the low, right? But if it doesn't hold and we see a break below and it starts to you start to take out these pivots or this support area here, you're most likely going to try and like sweep the 1920 area and scare a lot of people and take out 2082, and then you see that major reversal out. That's what I'm guessing. You'll probably find tons of buyers into this area here. Right, so that's it. That's it for me in terms of the GameStop update. We could take a look at crypto, Bitcoin. Right, the GameStop is holding Bitcoin, and again, my analysis so far on Bitcoin has been holding true. It's been going very well for me. I had accumulation areas to get into. I had some dip buy areas to fail. Right, so as you see, the not all my setups hold up. Right, but the bigger picture, the count is still valid, because you haven't taken out any of the lows, and I remained long on my position, and I closed my my long right around Friday for a nice 95% profit for me. So again, this is a really good trade on Bitcoin, and I'm hoping we get the same setup here on GameStop to when we go higher, right? But we got to be patient, and I know you don't want to hear that, but that's just what it is, right? And again, a lot of people say, well, TA doesn't work and TA doesn't. It's fine. They have everyone's entitled to their opinions, but I'm backing my opinions with facts, right? And the facts are that this system works with a high probabilities, right? Pretty decent probabilities. Higher percentage, not like 40-30%. It's more like 70-80% by the time this stuff works. So there you go. That's it. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.